Fish that are especially rich in the beneficial oils known as omega-3 fatty acids include mackerel, herring, tuna, salmon, cod liver, whale blubber, and seal blubber. Two of the most important omega-3 fatty acids contained in fish oil are eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. According to research conducted at Harvard University, omega-3 fatty acids deficiency ranked as the 6th highest killer of Americans. If you don't eat a lot of oily fish, taking a fish oil supplement could help you get enough omega-3 fatty acids and the amazing health benefits that comes with it. 1. Good for your heart. According to the American Heart Association, AHA, clinical trials have shown that omega-3 is effective in reducing the incidence of cardiovascular disease. Fish oil is a great source of omega-3 and therefore reduces the risk of heart diseases and heart arrhythmias. It also lowers the level of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases the level of good cholesterol, HDL. 2. Clearer, younger-looking skin. Fish oil also benefits the skin in a number of ways, including nourishing it with fats and fat-soluble vitamins that help give it a smoother, softer, elastic texture. There's even some scientific evidence that it can help prevent premature aging and signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. 3. Prevent diabetes. Fish oil supplements may also help reduce the risk for type 2 diabetes, as well as prevent complications for those with the disease. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil are able to raise levels of a hormone called adiponectin that's linked to insulin sensitivity, as Harvard researchers published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found. 4. Weight loss. Fish oil has also been proven effective in aiding to weight loss. Greater weight loss has been shown in adults taking fish oil supplements throughout their weight loss program compared to those who didn't take fish oils. The majority of bodybuilders and gym rats swear by fish oils in improving blood circulation and tightening skin after weight loss. 5. Improved immunity. Fish oils aid in boosting your immune system, helping you keep your system regulated and fighting off common colds, coughs, and flu. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids have shown to be effective in controlling the amount of cytokines and eicosanoids in your body. 6. Boosting memory. Not only can fish oil help improve mental health, but it can strengthen your brain in other ways, including boosting your memory. Research found that when a group of 18 to 25-year-olds consumed fish oil pills daily for 6 months, they experienced a 23% increase in working memory. 7. Fertility. Research has shown that boars with diets high in fish oil had enhanced healthy sperm count. While it varies person to person, many have claimed it to be the reason for their fertility to increase drastically since beginning to consume the oil. If you do decide to take